Numbers. There are numbers all around us. There are numbers on houses and on cars. You can find numbers on telephones and on money. Numbers help us in many ways. How do these road signs help drivers? These buses have route numbers. How does this help passengers? Numbers give information. The numbers on these cartons tell us how much each one holds. These shoes have a number printed on the back. What do these numbers tell you? What is your shoe size? Months are counted in days. Each date has a number. What's today's date? Do you know the date of your birthday? How old are you? Numbers make it easier for us to measure things. We can use numbers to give information. What time is it? How fast is the car traveling? What is the temperature? How tall is this girl? We use numbers when we measure height and when we measure length. We use numbers when we measure weight and when we measure liquids. We use numbers in sports so that each person is easy to identify. Which car is leading in this race? Each player has a different number on his shirt. The spectators buy programs when they go to the game. The program tells them the names and numbers of the players. The scoreboard uses numbers to show which team is winning. Numbers are also used to show positions, first, second, and third. The scoreboard gives the order in which the athletes finish the race. What do the other numbers show? What do the numbers in these pictures tell us? How many numbers can you see here? What do they mean? Can you imagine what the world would be like without numbers?